Python is a programming language in which we can write programs without any difficulty. Currently, it is considered the easiest programming language available in the market. Any type of program can be written in it. However, without any database, a program has no use at all. In fact, database connectivity is the most important factor when one learns any programming language. In the market, there are many databases, but the most used is Mysql. Today, in this video, we are going to write a program to show Mysql database connectivity in Python. Mysql does not work offline. Thus, an online database is required to establish a connection between Mysql and Python programs. One of the best free Mysql databases services that you can use is free Mysql hosting. It is offering a free 5 megabytes database to anyone for 1 year, which is enough to perform any kind of simple task. Our program is not going to be too long, hence, it is enough for us to create a Mysql connection with Python and create an account. You need to verify your email. The system will send you an email containing a link. Open the link and type a password for it. Set up the location of your database and you will receive an email containing the server, database name and database password. Alternatively, you can set a localhost database if you want, and to do that you need to install Apache server on your computer. You can also do all this through XAMPP or WAMP software. Now our database is ready. Let's write some code. Firstly, we need to install the Mysql connector library. To do that, open command prompt in Windows and execute the following command. If you are using Python 3, use pip3, otherwise you can simply use pip to install the module. It will take some time to install. Open your favorite code editor software. When everything is ready, import the module that you have just installed on your machine. After importing the module/library, we have to store the connection in a variable. Enter host/server name, database username and password in the required fields. If everything goes well, you can print your variable to check if you are successful to write a program in Python to show Mysql connectivity. Just print out the results. Run the Python script and you will get the results. If you get similar output, it means that you have successfully connected to the database. In this simplest possible way, we can write a program to show Mysql database connectivity in Python.